B is the isomer for A. Name the isomer. So before you even answer this particular question, you need to know the name of this structural formula that is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. We are only having carbon and hydrogen, meaning this is an hydrocarbon. And these are single bond. So single bonds with 4 carbons, what is the name? The name is what? Butane. This is what you are supposed to know. The name is what? Butane. So the structural formula that is here is butane. Then this is the isomer for butane. So the question is saying name the isomer. Before you name this isomer, you first need to know what is an isomer. So whenever we are talking about isomers, we are just talking about compounds with similar chemical formulas but different structural formulas. If you look at these two, the chemical formula is just the same, which is what? C4, which carbons for hydrogens, how many? 4 there, 2, 10. So meaning that it is 10. Even this one is going to have C4H10 like this. Have you seen? So same chemical formula but different what? Structural formulas. These are isomers. So now what is the name? I want to show you how we get to name this. So the way in which you are going to name this, you are going to do this. The number, this thing that is here. Have you seen this thing that is here? This thing that is here is called methyl. So this is what you are supposed to understand. It is called what? Methyl. This part that is here. So we just locate this part on this carbon chain. So this part, the methyl is on which position in this carbon chain? 1, 2. So it is on which position? Position 2. So the name is going to start with 2. 2, then I say methyl. So 2, methyl. Then how many carbons am I going to remain with? 1, 2, 3. An hydrocarbon that has got 3 carbons start with what? Prop. So it is going to be what? Propane. So it is 2-methylpropane. This is how you get to name this. Have you seen? So I want you to understand how we get to name isomers. This is not the same if this methyl is here. So here you can put something like this. It can be here. They can put this here where they put it here. But the concept is just the same. Have you seen? They put it here. It is on position what? 1, 2, 3. So here I'm just going to put a 3. So it is what? 3-methylpropane. How did I know that it is propane? You forget about this. Consider the number of carbons that are going to remain on the carbon chain when this has been removed. 1, 2, 3. So the hydrocarbon with 3 carbons, it is called what? Propane, because these are single bonds. This is what you are supposed to know. So these are just some of the few things that you need to know. These are few things that you need to get and understand. What if I write something like this? Something different. So what if I write something different? Let us consider hexane. So let us consider what? Hexane. Hexane is like this. This is how hexane is. We say how many number of carbons? 6. Then I say H. How many number of hydrogen? So times 2 plus 2. I'm going to get what? I'm going to get 14. So since I'm having this one, what I'm going to do is this. 6 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I do this. Then I put hydrogens here. 14 hydrogens. Like this. This is what I'm going to do. This is something that I'm going to do. I think we all know this, how to come up with the normal formula like this. Have you seen? This is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. So I just want to show you how we get to come up with these things. So this is what hexane. Now the isomer, the structural formula for isomer, how is it going to be? So I can break this. Have you seen? I can break this I can also break this one. I can break these two parts. So once I break these two parts, this one is going to join there. So this one, I'll take it there. This one, I'm going to take it where? I'm going to take it there. Don't be confused. So I'm going to have the first part, which is H, like this, C. Then I've got H there. I've got another H here. This part here on 2, I say this, then another H here. Since there is something down here, have you seen there is something down and this part has come here? So I'm going to put C. How many number of this one that I broke? How many number of hydrogens? 1, 2. This one that is here, 3. So I put 1, I put here 2, I put here 3, like this. I continue. I go to this one. This one hasn't been changed. So I put there. Even here, I do this. On this one that was here, it has come here. Meaning that I'm going to say, see, I can write it on top. Okay, let me write it on top. So this one will maintain H. This one that is here. Then there I've got 1 H. This one is coming with 2 hydrogens. So I'm going to have 3. And the C there. So C, then 3 hydrogens. So meaning that I'm going to have 1 there and 2 even there, 3. I'm going to have something like that. Then I just end here. I put H like this. So this is something that I've formed. Don't be confused. Where am I having the methyl? Where am I having? I start counting on position what? 1, 2. So on position 2. So what am I going to do? I'm going to say 2, comma. I've got another methyl on position what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Position 4. I put a 4 there. Then I say methyl. Have you seen methyl? Then what is now the name of the hydrocarbon that has remained? 1, 2, 3, 4. Having how many carbon chains are here? How many carbons? 4. 4 number of carbons on this carbon chain. The name that starts with an hydrocarbon with 4 bonds, 4 carbons. Start with what? Bute. So since these are alkanes, so it is what? Butane. This is the what? This is the name, like this. This is how you are supposed to come up with a name. So it just depends on where the methyl is. Have you seen where this part is? So this is what you are supposed to know. This is how you are supposed to understand. So if this one was on position 3, maybe this one was here, the name gets to differ. So what is important is understanding the concept. Have you seen this part? Let me break this. I put it there. So I maintain each H here. I put the methyl there. So C, I put H there. I put H there. I put H there. So the first one is on position 1, position 1. So here the name is going to be 1,4 methyl butane. This is how it is going to be. Have you seen? So this is what you need to get. This is an understanding that you need to have. So I'm your academic tutor. I do offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. We've started biology. You can enroll for your tuitions. Just WhatsApp me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number. I'll be there to help you get a distinction in mathematics, science, and biology. So this is my WhatsApp number. You WhatsApp me on this number if you want tuitions. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like the video. 0971 066747. So this is 2+. Okay, thank you so much.